Hey guys, it's Bruno here and welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today I'm going to talk about CMA. A CMA is a comparative market analysis and how you can do one on the MLS. All a CMA is a way to analyze the market for similar properties to see how much the subject property actually should be worth. So let's just hop onto the computer and you'll see what I mean. Okay, so first up, I'm gonna look at this house here in Porter Ranch. And now when you're looking at a comparative market analysis, what you gotta do is find something that is similar to the property you are trying to analyze. So take note of the square foot, how many bed and bath, and any amenities that the property has. So first up, the square footage is about 2,000. It's a 3-2 bed and bath. And then the lot size is about 8,060, almost a fifth of an acre. Okay, so first up, you're going to pull up your subject property on the map mode, and then you're going to add the radius tool to draw a 1 mile radius around the property, and that's going to be the area you're going to be looking at for comparative properties. It's a little less than a mile, but that's fine. Now we're going to go back into the criteria menu here, and what you want to do is not just have active, but put active under contract, pending, and then the most important one, which is closed. This case, it's going to be a single family residence. We're going to look just at those. Now let's put in our living area plus or minus 10% of the subject property. So in our case, our living area was about 2,000 square feet, and plus or minus 10% would be about minus 200 above 200. So I'll put 1,800 to 2,200 square feet. You could also do lot size, but in this example I won't, just to keep it simple. And then let's add the bedroom and bath, which is 3, 2. Let's also make sure that our pending is between 0 to 180, which just gives us the last 6 months. And here are 5 listings that are similar to our property in bed and bath and in square footage. Let's dive deeper into each one and see how comparable they really are. So the first one here is off Singing Hills Drive. It was listed and sold for about $1 million. Lot size is a bit bigger. Ours was only 8,000. It was still a 3-2, and the square footage is actually very comparable. I believe our property was around 1,900. This one is at 1,875. And actually, this one is still active, so it hasn't been sold for $1 million yet, but is being listed at around $1 million. And then actually, the rest of these are actually closed, and they were sold, let's see, May of this year, December of last year, March of this year, and May of this year. So let's start with the first one, Germain Street. Let's check it out. It was sold for $1 million. It was a 3-2, but the square footage is about 200 more square feet, so it's a little bigger than our property. Let's see the location. It's right here off Reseda and Chatsworth, so kind of closer to CSUN over here. I actually know this area. Pretty nice spot. Any amenities? Let's see what they say. Media room, family room, inviting, circular drive. Okay, that's interesting. Does have a unique driveway. 1,100 square foot lot. Ours was, what was ours? Ours was a 8,000. So yeah, this one actually is a much larger lot size as well. All right, let's go back to the results. Now let's check out the one off Darby. This one was sold in December of last year for about, see, 900,000 in this case. So a little less than the previous 2 properties. Similar square footage. This one's closer to 2,000. Ours was 18 something, right? Actually, ours was 1940, so excuse me. This one actually is exactly the square footage that we're looking for. And the lot size is once again bigger, but let's check it out. Nice little property. Ooh, it has solar panels, so that probably contributed a little bit to the price for sure. I don't really like the landscaping, but the interior is definitely renovated. Really nice property. Well taken care of. Not really recessed lighting, but it's okay. Wow, really huge. And the bathrooms are really gorgeous too. So this is a really nice property. So we'll keep that in mind. Now on to Rathburn. Once again, this one was actually around 900. A 3-1 and 1, so I guess there's a half bathroom. Square footage very comparable, a little bit smaller than ours. Lot size a little bigger than ours, so give and take. Nice kitchen, cool driveway, but it does have a pool. Okay, so there's the surprise. So that probably contributed to the value of the property for sure. That patio area, and then a home office, which is always a plus. Yeah, whoever had this property did a good job. I'm shocked that they didn't get it for $1 million, but a little less than is still pretty good. All right, and now finally, we're on the last property here, which was sold not too long ago, less than a month ago, and it's off of Baird. I know that street. Ooh, much bigger, about 100 more square feet living space. A little smaller lot size compared to the other properties. This is probably the closest one in terms of similarity. And actually sold for $1,011,000. Let's see what it has to offer. Very nice walkway leading to the property. But that's it, no other pictures, huh? Let's see the location. Off of Reseda. Most of these are just seem to be right off of Reseda and San Fernando, which is a really nice area too. This is actually just down a block from our subject property. All right, and that's all the comparable properties that we have within the last 6 months that we can use to analyze. And in fact, now if you would like, you can select all and you click this button, CMA. You can select all this contact name, yada. Depending on who you want to give the CMA to, you may want certain things like the cover and stuff. But we'll keep it simple. We'll just do the comparatables, summary list. I like cover sheets. Map could be useful. The cover, which would be our picture. This is my father. Comparables, yep. Finish. And then let's view it. Okay, finally, here we go. So because of the way I check the boxes, the mins and maximums are here first. And then if we continue to scroll down, you got everything here. You got your days on market. You got your price graphs, listing compared to closing price. Then a more detailed analysis of each of the properties so that you can show this to your potential clients or your other team members on your real estate team, whatever this CMA is done for. Here we have the average prices, a little summary. And let's see, the average price is actually around $966,000, so a little less than $1 million. And about $500 per square foot in this area of Porter Ranch. And that's all there is to it. So thank you guys so much for watching all the way to the end. I really appreciate it. This is one of many real estate videos I'm going to be doing. So definitely like if you like the content. Comment down below your thoughts, what I do wrong. Maybe I didn't explain something well enough. I'll be happy to answer any questions you may have. And of course, subscribe for future content and entrepreneurship. So take care, and I'll see you in the next video.